Unlike the first two errors which we have discussed, that is the star mass reference error and the HTTP readout time error, this particular error occurs on the second stage or step while analyzing your image set. That is when you're doing moving object detection. At this particular stage, you might encounter this error. In this image set, I've already done the Astrometrica data reduction. I'll show you how this error appears when you're doing the second stage of the analysis. So I'll click on moving object detection. Wait for the software to finish its analysis. Again, remember guys, do not fiddle with anything while the software is analyzing. Don't uh, close or open any tabs when the software is running. It might interfere with the analysis. You see that, please do not panic. It does not mean that there is something wrong with the images. It just says that there are no moving objects. Having said that, there has been cases where people have found this or have encountered this particular error, and despite having encountered this, they have detected a new object which was a potential asteroid, uh, or else, or rather, it made it to the preliminary report. So you should not panic or think that you have faulty image sets if you find you are encountering this particular error. Simply click OK, close this, and continue analyzing the image set. Okay. So all the three stages of analysis, that is the data reduction, the moving object detection, and a known object overlay are done. You can start with your blinking process and then generate your MPC report. So this concludes uh, how to resolve your MPC, how to resolve the errors that you might encounter while analyzing your image sets.